So, this might seem like an unusual way to start a room tour video, but I'm not a usual Hilton customer. And the last time I did Hilton's online check-in, I was so impressed with the experience that I really wanted to share it as part of this review video. So, this is pretty typical. Just like Marriott, you're able to check approximately the time you expect to show up at the hotel, but what Marriott doesn't allow you to do, and Hilton does, is to choose your own room in the hotel. You can do all this via the app, but just for the purposes of making it easier to record, I'm doing it on the full website today. So it seems like they wanted to put me in room 121 down on the ground floor. So you can see you're greeted here with a map of the entire hotel. So we'll go ahead and move to a different floor and to see what else is available. So up on floor 2, you can see everything that's available has a little green circle. I usually like going on the top floor, just because I don't like having people above me. So you can see here's all of our options. I think I'll go ahead and pick room number, let's go with 506. And now you can see I've picked my own room. Basically all you have to do here is confirm your credit card details, accept the terms. Oh, oops. Well, let's try this again. Okay, so it turns out my reservation was actually for 2 beds, not 1 king, and I think that's why the digital check-in failed. I tried it again, and it worked no problem. And you can see here, now I've got the Hilton app open, and one other cool thing that Hilton does now is digital key. And you can see I actually have selected my room. I don't think it's showing up yet because I'm too far from check-in, but you can actually unlock any door in the hotel. Well, not any door, obviously your room, any of the exterior exit doors, and so forth, with the press of a button on your phone. Which means, in theory, you could just skip the front desk entirely. It's a pretty interesting concept, and I'll show it to you once we get to the hotel tomorrow. But for now, that's it. Alright guys, it is now the next day, and I'm pulling in here to the Hilton Garden Inn. So I'm just going to show you a little overview here of the check-in process, as well as getting up to the room, and of course taking a nice detailed tour of the room. And you can see we are right across the street from IKEA here. So, I'm going to get my things together and head inside. You can see I got my Kia Soul in red. Oh, Texas plates. Nice curb appeal to the place. Heading up to floor number 5. I'm just going to switch to my good camera real quick. Alright, so you can see here is room 502, just like we selected yesterday. So let's take a look inside. And you're getting the same first impression as me. Almost, because I kind of need to bring my stuff in here real quick. Okay, now that I've dragged my stuff inside the door, real quick, you could see at check-in, just for being a Hilton Honors member, I have no status at all with Hilton, but I got this little gift bag here that just has 2 bottles of water in it. Though these actually do come in handy being down here. I can take it to work with me in the morning, that sort of thing. This property does not have free breakfast. Garden Inns apparently never do. But I get these coupons, so I go down and get a free hot breakfast anyway because it's included in our special corporate rate that we have. So, something to keep in mind if you're staying here, unless you're on a rate that includes breakfast. I think it's $9.99, but it actually is very good. As I said, I've stayed at this property one time in the past. Anyway, let's take a better look around. First off, you can see we have the fire map in the front of the room here. It's a very simple property, just one corridor. I sort of went down toward the end where it's a little bit quieter. Security features, we have our deadbolt, one of these type of locks, and the peephole, along with all the locks which function on the exterior doors around the property, so you have to use a key to get in anywhere but the front. I would say we're taken care of very well in the security department here. Immediately as you come in the door, there's a little closet over here to your right. Has an ironing board, luggage rack, decent number of hangers, nice and clean, even up on top. So far, so good. It's an interesting flooring that they picked here on the front of the room. It's sort of like a tile that's made to look like wood. Actually does have a pretty nice look to it, though. Let's see, it sounds like they might have left the bathroom fan on. Yep. So the fan and the lights are on 2 different switches, which I always like. You can see the bathroom has a very nice, clean, elegant sort of look to it. I think it's very nice for a hotel of this class. Tons of room here on the sink to put your things down. It's just very nice and bright, too. You see we have some towels over here, a few washcloths, an extra hand towel, as well as some more over here. The linens are nice and high quality. You can see there's a lot of options here, too, with the shampoo. They also give you mouthwash, bath gel, lotion. Got your bar soap back here, plus another one to go over by the sink. All in all, very nice. The plumbing fixtures are in good condition. So you have the toilet over here with the bath mat sitting on top of it. Your bath towels up on top here. At a glance, they all seem to be in very nice shape. The bottom of the tub almost looks a little dirty. I don't know if it's just the light or what. Yeah, not really sure what's going on there. Let's see, water pressure is very nice. The only thing I will say, based on my experience last time, this shower head looks very nice, but it's clearly designed to save water. Like, you kind of get the feel. I mean, there's such thing as a water-saving shower head that does a good job. This thing just doesn't really feel like it gives you all that much pressure. I thought it was a little bit disappointing last time. Also, doesn't look like it's in the greatest shape. So, the shower is okay. I mean, physically the thing is in great condition. I just wish they put a less stingy shower head in. But the shower curtain is in excellent shape. No mildew or anything like that. Overall, the bathroom gets very high marks from me. So, on to the rest of the room. You can see here on the front of the room we have our coffee supplies and an actual legit Keurig machine. Creamer and so forth back there. Got an ice bucket over here. Microwave. Very clean. And your mini fridge down here. I guess it's just so you can access it more easily. You can see we had that same kind of, newer style decor throughout the whole place. It looks very nice and inviting, fresh as well. They always had this little promotional TV channel on when you come in the room. I wonder if this one has that same TV system as last time. Yeah, it does. So they actually do have like some kind of digital TV system. You could see called an Edge controller. So The TV actually features, like, different streaming channels. Supposedly it's something that they're piloting and they're planning to roll out to other hotels. The remote kind of reminds me of a Roku remote. I wonder if that's actually what's running this. But it looks like it's some sort of customized software just for Hilton. It's pretty cool. Nice furniture here in the front of the room. The beds look very high-end, very attractive. One side effect of having these things jut out, I don't know what it is about this design, but I cracked my shin on this thing so many times the last time I was in here. Nothing against the bed, it's more about me being clumsy, but it's kind of funny how sticking out just that little bit can do that to you. So it looks like each bed has 2 regular pillows and 1 king-size pillow, interestingly enough. The linens all seem to be in very nice shape, as do the pillows. So you can see we have like a comforter with a duvet cover and a sheet. Simple but very effective. The sheets are nice and soft. Mattresses are very nice too. Beds definitely get a pass here. We have a desk area back here featuring some easily accessible outlets. Very nice looking lamp as well. And I like the way they have the hotel materials laid out in this thing. It's very elegant. Oh, here's a little thing I was talking about from last time. Welcome to a Hilton concept room. So yeah, the TV is definitely something new that they're rolling out. You can see, not surprisingly, just like from the car, our view is basically of the IKEA across the street. You can actually see pretty far considering you're only 5 stories up. You can also get a view of the hotel's fire pit down there on the outside. And look, there's my rental car. Got a little sitting area here in the corner. And as far as the room goes, that's pretty much it. I was impressed last time, and I'm actually pretty impressed again. Seems like a very solid place, sort of in that same class as like a Courtyard Marriott. Hilton is winning me over here a bit. Very nice place. I guess the only other thing I sort of glossed over, they have one of these setups here where you have the thermostat on the wall and then just a P-tack over there. And they do have the option where you can leave the fan on, if I remember right from last time. I think. Yeah, there we go. And you can see when that kicks on, it gives you a nice amount of white noise just to break the silence when you're trying to sleep, but it's actually a very quiet unit. I guess it's a degree. So yeah, that's about it. Solid place, definitely passes the Jacob test. Really hope you enjoyed this quick video review, and that is it.